Now, in our sales strategy, okay, in sales 101, what happens is that you have a basic product. You have a basic product. There is always one thing, a product and the end consumer. You want to take a product and you want to take it to the end consumer. But a lot of people don't understand how this basic articulation phase works, which is the product articulation phase. Now I'm going to explain. Now, two things are very important, or I would say three things are important in sales. Number one is you need to understand the value that you're offering. I'm going to say it again. You need to understand the value that you're offering. I'm telling you, if you don't understand the value that you're offering, the exact value and what it means to the customer, you can't pitch it. You can't pitch it. You need to understand the exact value that you're offering. Okay, if you use this my product, you're going to get improved skin tone. You need to really understand the value that you're offering. And then you need to understand, number two, is that you need to understand who needs that value. You need to understand the value you're offering and who needs that value. And the third thing is how you can get to that person. That's all. Number one is what your value is. Number two is who is the person that best needs this product. Okay. And number three is how you're going to get to that person is everything. So in how you're going to get to that person, that's where you're leveraging the traffic sources. You're leveraging a lot of things to get to that person. But we want to understand our value, the value that we're offering and who needs it. Then we're going to explain how to get to that person. And in that dynamics of how to get that person, that's everything that this program is about. Okay. That's everything, because I'm going to show you how to automate the process so that you have result. We're going to go back and re-engineer your site. I went back in and I saw that a lot of people's site are very noisy these days. I mean, I could mention celebrities, but I don't want to mention names right now. And that gives me an opportunity to be able to close, because I go in there and I tell them, how good is your website? If you already have a website, how good is your website? And we validate them and tell them, on a custom basis, do you have an analytics? They say, okay, let's see how you're converting those people. And then I open up another site and I tell you, look, this is your same competitor. Or I show you what I'm doing and I tell you, look, this is your same competitor going after the same audience that you're looking at. Look at what this person is converting at because of 1, 2, 3 things. And I show them, that's my back end. That's my back end. So we're going to go in there and we're going to re-engineer your site. Re-engineer your site. A lot of people, you have sites very noisy. It is not tailored to be able to convert people. It's not tailored to be able to convert people. But I'm going to show you how to re-engineer and have a proper working site. In fact, a high converting site. A high converting site. Converting to as much as 96%. 96%. I'm going to teach you everything from playing with psychology to texting to every single language they're going to use there is going to be high converting. If you have people and they say the average attention span is between 3 to 9 seconds, and you're converting people, say, let's take it in 5 seconds. Everybody that gets on your site, quality client that gets on your site, moves to the next stage. What would that mean for you? 10,000 people move to the next stage. What would that mean for your business? I'm telling you, this stuff literally works.